You're wondering if your old gutter should either be repaired or replaced entirely. Well, first let's start by identifying what might be considered an old gutter. Hey guys, my name is Angelo and I'm the installation trainer here at the Brothers That Just Do Gutters, and it is our goal to bring you the best of all things gutter. An old gutter may be one that is installed with spike and ferrule, shows significant exterior color fade, or has seams along the run of the gutter. Oftentimes, we'll arrive at a job to check on repairs and we realize that the client is in need of a gutter replacement instead of a repair. If your gutters are leaking at the seam, it may be time to update to seamless gutters. If your gutters were installed with spike and ferrule, this means they are likely 20 years old or more, and you could also potentially have rotted fascia because of the installation method. When these situations are the case, we recommend a gutter replacement because a new system would be more reliable in the long run. If your gutters sound like the ones we just talked about, head over to our website at brothersgutters.com and consider contacting us so we can help you with any gutter issues you may have. It's our goal to bring you the best of all things gutter, so if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more content.